You got your Coco 3 yet? It's what all the American Coco enthusiasts say to each other. What we got here is a 2 megabyte Color Computer 3. This would be one of the best Color Computer 3s for sale at the moment on eBay in Australia. You can find it on eBay. So what exactly is included? So we've got a PAL Color Computer 3 here. It's in its original box, but its box is, well, definitely seen better days, but it's there. Comes with 2 manuals, extended basic manual and the introducing manual. Issue of Rainbow, US Rainbow from January 1991. CocoSDC, which is imported from the USA. It uses SD cards to store all your programs on, so no more problems with cassettes and discs. And if you pick this up from me in person, I'll even throw in this Tevion brand colour television set, which is flickering like mad because of my camera, but actually works perfectly. So it's currently connected through the composite and with the sound. So I'll show you the modifications inside the computer that I've done. Best to be safe, we'll turn it off. Okay, so the first thing you see is a 2 megabyte memory expansion, 2048K. It's got the Hitachi HD63C09 processor upgrade. It's also got a Pro-Tector unit from Cloud9 to look after the processor, and the circuit board has had a full recap of all the known problematic capacitors. So they are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 capacitors have been all changed. So naturally this computer is ready to rock and roll for many decades, hopefully never needing any work again. The 6309, it's also ready for the latest generation of Coco 3 software. You can look it up online. And obviously, to finish off the modification, to really set the computer off, it has this custom badge on top which says 2048K Color Computer 3. Much better than leaving it saying 128K when we know it's got a lot more memory. So let's see it running. We'll get our SDC and plug that in. Hit the power. There we go. Here's our CocoSDC. Let's just choose. Okay, one of my favourite games from back in the day. It's called Rupert Rhythm. So we'll load that up now. America or Australia? We are in Australia. So there you have it. So that's your Coco 3, SDC, box, manuals, SD card. Even include, if you pick up this system from me, I'll even throw in this TV for free. Now bear in mind, at the time I'm recording this, Melbourne's in lockdown, so if you buy this thing and you want to pick it up to get the free TV, I'm happy to hold it until the lockdown is over sometime around the end of October. So really, it's up to you. If you buy it from interstate, and I will just post you the computer here and its box and manuals and SDC. Save the monitor for, save the TV for another system. But they do work well together, and if you're after a Coco 3 system that will last you years, has all the modifications to make it reliable and comes with the great CocoSDC and everything, you would be waiting a long time to see a better Coco 3 on the market. So thanks for watching, and if you're after this system, we'll look for it on eBay.